Hello everyone, I'm back with one more exciting design tutorial, and today we will recreate this amazing stellar cube. Also, we'll create the interaction of it. So stay in this video till the end. If not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And without wasting time, let's get started. So right now we are inside the Figma and we have this amazing cube with us. So we will recreate this cube and I'll tell you step by step how we can recreate this one, also how we can convert this into interactive cube as well. So first of all, take a frame and simply turn color to the black. Then just take one rectangle, change color to the white 100% opacity, then just change opacity to 8. We'll just tone down color a little bit into the gray. We'll duplicate this 2 times. Now next step is to turn this into the isometric shape. So what we will use is we'll use a simple fast isometric plugin. This is the best way so far, so we'll use this one. Then we need the left side, then we need the right side, and that's all. You can use different plugins as per your convenience, that's not an issue. Okay, so we are done here. Now we just simply has to align this properly. So this is the one cube, but we need something like this, multiple cubes. So this is also pretty easy. So just reduce the size of this cube, just duplicate, just align properly. Just love the, we'll just keep three section cube. That's all. Align this perfectly, try to make it perfect as much as possible. Amazing. So we are done with the top of this cube. Now just extend towards the rest of. So here we are done with our cube, a bigger cube, and next step is to create this background glow. For that we will take a circle, make it a little bit elliptical, then just add some colors, gradient, linear gradient we will use. We will add 2-3 colors. Now simply just give the effect of layer blur. We'll just try to match this gradient properly. For that we'll just change the little bit, and that's all. Just duplicate one more time, make inner one smaller. Okay, so right now we have all the 2 elements. Let's bring this inside the frame. Now simply just duplicate, change the appearance of upper layer to color dodge. Boom, here is your cosmic cube is ready. Let's do one thing, forget to do one more. Let's do a stroke. Also we will add inner shadow. Now it's looking proper cube. Let's add some inner shadow here as well. Okay, so here we are done with our cube, and we just group it, and the last step is to add shadow. For the shadow, what we'll do is we'll just simply copy the upper layer, paste it, group it. We'll remove all the effects, opacity, we'll make it complete black, change opacity to 100%, and then simply just add little layer blur, and then trim down the opacity. That's all. Just change the layering, and the last one is to add purple color BG, base BG. Let's take one circle and just make a layer blur a little bit. Great. Boom. So here we are ready with our stellar cube. We can just simply change the background, but it looks better in black, as I have seen. So yeah, this is how the stellar cube works. Now the next step is how we can make it interactive. Okay, so it's pretty easy. For that we need a heighted frame, so we'll just change the height a little bit and just change the position and align it to bottom. Now just duplicate. In the first frame we will just change the position of cube in the y-axis. As the distance is changing, we will reduce the opacity of shadow as well. And the third one is change the position of these layers one by one. So this you will see a little bit hectic because you need to manually do the stuff. Yeah, so that is a little bit, you may see a problematic, but yeah, it takes a little bit time, but you will see the perfect animation out of it. Just simply change one by one, align it properly. So here I am using pre-made cube, so just save the time, and you have to follow the same process. This is the frame 1, frame 2, and frame 3 you will show the cube is extracting. Okay, as a same time background as well, because background also made of isometric cubes. Okay, so in the last one we will keep the same default position so that it will come back to the original position of this one. Now the next step is to connect them and create a prototype and run. Simply go to prototype, then just connect the wire, on click. Here I am keeping the trigger on click so that I don't want it auto start. Smart animate, make it 400 ms. We'll use little bit gentle animation over here. Then the next one is we will need some after delay of might be of 600 ms, and just do the duration of 600 ms as the same, or maybe 800 ms. And we need animation here, ease out. From here to here again we need delay so that we can hold this particular animation and the state for some time. Might be 800 or 600 is okay, I think. Let's keep it 600. And to going back this, becoming a cube again, we will use ease out of 400 ms. That's all. And from here it going back to the original position with after delay of 0 and ease out 400 ms. That's all. Let's run the prototype and let's see how it's working. we need to increase the time a little bit here, and 600 ms is too much, so let's make it 300 ms. And from here to here also we'll just change to 200 ms, and let's try again. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So this is how you can just simply and easily create this prototype. So this is how you can create this stellar cube as well as the interaction prototype of this easily, and you can just record the video, convert to a WebM, or you can just convert this into the Lottie files, and you can just use in your project on app or website anywhere. So thank you so much guys for being with me till now, and if you want to see more tips, tricks and such educational content regarding Figma, Framer, no code tools and all that, so please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, hit the like button and share with your designer friends. Thank you so much.